Your Spectrum Mobile account number is a unique identifier needed for managing your bill or switching carriers. Let's explore the quickest ways to find it. The fastest method is through the Spectrum Mobile app. Simply log in, navigate to the account section, then account details, and your number will be displayed. Alternatively, check your Spectrum Mobile bill. The account number appears at the top, whether it's a paper bill or electronic version. If you're porting your number to a new carrier, Spectrum will provide the account number during the process, usually via email or SMS confirmation. If you're having trouble finding your account number, here are some troubleshooting and security tips. First, ensure you're using the latest version of the Spectrum Mobile app. If you can't access the app or your bill, contact Spectrum Mobile customer support. Never share your account number publicly for security reasons. Always use secure methods like the app or bill to retrieve it. For added protection, enable two-factor authentication on your Spectrum Mobile account. Remember, your account number is different from your phone number or SIM card ID.